as I've already said, it's a real lifeline for our families and local communities. There are not enough schemes and things available for the parents and for pupils with complex needs. We've been able to tailor experiences that are appropriate. We've been able to use our own really experienced staff who understand the communication levels that are needed. The scheme has been really flexible for us as well, so we've been able to organise it in the way that's been absolutely right for our families. It's been really good to engage in. I think it's absolutely vital. If we don't have this, I get really concerned about the amount of pressure that's on our families, particularly over the longer breaks. There can be safeguarding issues. Often our parents don't have a wider group of people to support them. They are unable to take part in other everyday tasks. It's also been really good in terms of socialisation. For some of our children, it would have meant otherwise they're at home with their parents and they don't access anything else at all. So from a cultural and an enjoyment point of view, it's been a real benefit for our pupils and we've seen them thrive.